instrument and accessories. Dilute bucket, waste bucket. Lice bottle, dilute tube, lice tube, waste tube, power cord, touch screen pen, and IC card for the lice and dilute. Operation of the instrument. Connect the power cord. Connect the tubes with the bucket. Remove the two fallback clips from the instrument. Install the print paper. Pay attention to the direction of the paper. We are going to install the instrument. Power on. Input the service username. And the password. Select no. select yes. Go to set up service. The background test the result, and if they made that the WBC less than 0.3, RBC less than 0.03, HGB less than 1, PLT less than 10, it means that the instrument is okay and can continue the work. median value quality control, reference list of quality control, target value deviation limit. The quality control need to be put in the indoor temperature for at least 15 minutes after taking out from the refrigerator. So here is the test result of the quality control, and if you want to test the quality control of the instrument, you need to test more than 5 times. And here in this instrument we have test already 5 times and show all the results here. You can see that there is no red alarm. It means that all the values are within the normal range. And now we are going to check the CV for the WBC. It should be less than 2. As you see here, it meets the requirement. And for the RBC, it should be less than 1.5. See, next the HGB should be less than 1.5. Next, the MCV, you see it should be less than 1. The last one, going to the PLT, it should be less than 4. Now we see that all the results are not in the normal range. We're going to introduce the interface of this software. We see the report interface after switch on. Click Next Sample. Select Blood Mode, Input Sample ID. And start the text by touching the start key on the screen or the start key on the instrument. And the result will show here like this, and the graphs show here. You can edit the patient information here. And save. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can edit the result here. And thus you can choose the print the result. The next interface is Review. You can delete, search, print and export all the test result here. Next interface is QC. Here is the setup. You can set up all the target value. Here is the QC analysis, the QC graph, and here is the QC table. You can see all the test results here. Next is the calibration. If you found that the test result has deviation with the CV target value, you can edit the value here. Here is the whole blood value and the pre-dilute value, and finally save. Interface is the service. If you found that the background test result is not good, you can do some operations here. Plus aptitude, free dig, active stop. Or you can do the clean free dig in the comprehensive interface. And here, the reagent management, it will show the remaining volume. Next interface is setup. You can set up the list information here, the IP address, and input the part number, and select the options according to your requirement, and save here. Here you can also add a new user. Click new, input username and password. The next interface is the log. It shows all the log of the instrument here. And the last interface is status. It shows all the status of the instrument. After finish work of the day, we can do the shutdown. Here, by pressing the shutdown button on the screen, you can see shutdown and the log out. Click shutdown. Click yes. Now we're doing the maintenance by using the cleanser. During shutdown the instrument, after absorbing the cleanser, the instrument will need 5 minutes to do the shock, and after finish shocking, it will do the clean automatically and indicate to shut down the instrument. After clean the instrument, the screen will show the indication. So now we can turn up the power switch, and the installation is finished. If you found the touch screen is inaccurate, turn off the machine and connect to the mouse. Then use the mouse to log in the machine. And go to setup, common, machine setup, touch adjust. Then do the adjustment as shown. Pay attention that you have to touch the adjustment place very accurate. Otherwise, you need to do the whole calibration operation again. If you need to use the external printer, connect the power cord of the printer and the USB cable to the machine. Then turn off the machine. Go to Setup, Common, Print Setup. Click Use External Printer. Add Printer. The machine will recognize the printer model name automatically. Here, click Continue. Here you can edit the name of the printer and the description according to your requirement. Click Continue. Select the printer manufacturer here. Pay attention that you have to use the external printer that manufactured by the manufacturer list. And choose the drive here. Match the printer model. Click Add Printer. And set the default options for the printer. Here, input the report title and click Save. Okay, so the printer setup has been finished.